What's up guys? Good morning. So for today's video, we will check this new brand. So this is a multivitamins bites from Zesty Paws. Before checking this product, on my right, this is Kuya Kobe. So he is our black pug. On our left, this is Lola, our fawn pug or yung parang beige na pug natin. Takot sa heights. So they are both pugs. So katabi namin ito lagi matulog. We chose yung peanut butter. Excited na kayo? So let's check. Please allow me to read this. So this is a multivitamin, good for bone and joint, heart health, skin and coat, digestion, immune system, antioxidants, liver health, performance. Kapag nagpapakain kami dito, hiwa-hiwalay pa. Like, meron for liver, meron for kidney, meron for heart, meron for joints, ganun, pa isa-isa. But this one, 8-in-1 na siya. So, hindi na ako mahihirapan magpakain. Like, isa-isa yung mga tablet na nilalagay namin, ginugupit ko pa. Ito, in just one chew, meron na siyang 8 benefits for our fur babies. This is 90 soft chews na pieces. So, this is a support for dogs. And then, this is manufactured sa Orlando, Florida. Wow. Zesty Paws. Without further ado, tara tingnan na natin. Sealed po. Wow. Are the soft chews. So kapag pinapakain namin sa multivitamin is with a meal na sana. So but now, let's give them as a treat lang muna. Ladies first muna, sorry. So let's start with Lola. This is the soft chew, guys. From Zesty Paws. Come on. Wow. And one for Kuya Kobe. Oh, nahulog. Come on, this is peanut butter. Thank you so much, Zesty Paws. Fur babies approve. Lola, Kobe the pug approve. So thank you so much. If you want this for your fur babies, you can check the yellow basket here. I promise it will save you a hassle kasi isa na lang ilalagay mo. Hindi na yung pa isa-isa pa na tablet.